Alexa, turn on Major Award. Alexa, turn off Major Award. Alexa, turn on Major Award. So what do you think about that? Perfect for the holidays?
Will you look at that? Isn't that glorious? It's indescribably beautiful. It reminds me of the 4th of July.
Not you, I'm talking to my viewers. So what I'm using in my house actually is two different Alexa devices. I've got both the Echo Dot and the Show 5, as you can see from the video. I have the TP-Link Mini and the world famous leg lamp from A Christmas Story movie. I have links below where you can pick these items up if you would like to create this setup. I named the plug Major Award in the TP-Link app. If you don't know how to do this, I have another video that walks you through step by step how to create this. I have linked to my pairing video, and then once you have done this, it can be controlled using your voice from inside your house or over the net if you're anywhere else. You can even go outside in the front yard and turn it on.
Oh, you should see what it looks like from out here.
If he won that, it's a major award.
Major Award. Well, I know my leg lamp has provided me with many years of pleasure and enjoyment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a really happy holiday. If you did enjoy it, make sure you click on like and subscribe to my channel, and happy holiday from Here for the Gear.